So you're ready to make a video for your students, or the best way to engage students is through video. So in your course, one of the things that you can do is you can actually, in your news items, introduce yourself using a video rather than reading. Students get tired of reading, as you've probably noticed. So much of our course content has lots and lots of reading in it. So if you can engage students in a different way, that's going to really help to keep them connected to the course. So I'm going to show you how to create a video. So welcome from your teacher, and challenge you to do a video welcome for your students. So then you're going to go to this insert stuff button, and you're going to scroll down till you get to video note. And when you click on video note, it's going to pop up a screen, and it's going to record from your webcam video recorder. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and you're going to start a new recording. And now it's recording me talking to my students, welcoming them to the course, letting them know maybe a little bit about me, and maybe some expectations for the students over the next 4 weeks. And so this is a place that I'm going to do that. So once I've done my introduction, and it can be as short as 30 seconds, I'm going to stop the recording. And it will play back the recording so you can see what it looks like. Now, I'm going to challenge you. It's going to be for those perfectionists in the group. You're going to want to make your video perfect. But I think it's really important, for you and your time management, to not worry about the perfection of your videos, because that's going to eat up a lot of your time. But secondly, it's really important for your students to see you as you, and to see that you're not perfect and that you're human. That's going to make them feel more confident to share with you videos or their work, knowing that it may not be perfect. And so it's really good for them to see you vulnerable, to see you with your just as yourself when you upload the video. So the next thing you're going to do is hit next. It's going to then upload that video. You're going to give it a title, welcome from the teacher, introduction to the course might be my description, and then next. And what it's going to do is it's going to give me a preview. So right now it's being transformed, and this may take a little bit. So what they're doing is it's basically like publishing or rendering the video. So it's going to take a few seconds to do that. And so now it's up, and I'm just going to insert it into my news items, and there it is. And then I'm going to publish that. And once I've published it, the students will see that in the news item. And you can do this in content, you can do this in discussions, you can have students, allow students to be able to do this in discussions. So it's a really powerful way to build a sense of community within the course.